Next is the speed of light in medium. So there is one medium in which the speed is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. We have to find refractive index of that particular medium. So refractive index is speed of light in air upon speed of light in medium. जो medium है उसमें. In air, the speed of light is always constant, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So though it is not given in the numerical, please take the value. Remember, this value is always fixed. In air, it is always 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 is in the medium which is given in the numerical. So 3 divided 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 8 cut हो जाएगा. 3 divided by 1.5 is 2. And it is the refractive index of the medium. It has no unit because ratio of similar quantities. So this is the 7th numerical. The speed of light in diamond is 1.24 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. We have to find the refractive index. So refractive index is speed of light in air divided by speed of light in diamond. In air, we know the value is always 3 into 10 raised to 8. In other medium, diamond, it is given 1.24 into 10 raised to 8. So 1.8, 1.8 get cancelled. 3 divided by 1.24, it comes out to be 2.42. Refractive index is 2.42 and it has no unit. So do not write any unit. So refractive index of diamond is 2.42. Let's move to the next numerical. It is given that the refractive index of alcohol is 1.36. Okay. We have to find the speed of light in alcohol. So the formula is refractive index is equal to speed of light in air divided by speed of light in alcohol. In air, the value is always fixed, 3 into 10 raised to 8. We know refractive index is 1.36. तो speed of light in alcohol ये side जाएगा, refractive index ये side आएगा. So it comes out to be 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 1.36, which the speed of light comes out to be 2.2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So this is the speed of light in alcohol, 2.2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Move to the next numerical. Given the refractive index of ice is 1.31. Find the speed of light in ice when it goes from air medium to ice medium. So refractive index is speed of light in air upon speed of light in ice. So speed of light in ice we have to calculate. So take this quantity on the other side. Speed of light in ice is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by refractive index is 1.31. When you divide 3 by 1.31, it gives 2.29 and into 10 raised to 8 meter per second as it is. So into 10 raised to 8, don't forget to write this. So the answer is speed of light in ice is 2.29 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. We have studied the numericals of light lesson. It is based on two formulas. F is equal to R upon 2 or R is equal to F into 2. And the other formula is speed of light in air upon speed of light in medium. Refractive index is speed of light in air upon speed of light in medium. Refractive index has no unit. Speed of light always has the unit meter per second. And focal length and radius of curvature, it depends. If it is in centimeter, it will be in centimeter. If it is in meter, it will be in meter. So, but mostly the unit is centimeter only. Okay, so these are the numericals, the 10 numericals which are there in the exercise of the textbook. Please solve this numerical as assignment in the notebook. I'll send the PDF of it in the group, class group, and solve the Google test also. Good day.